Can I see? I want to see you eating it. Can you have a bite? Oh man, delicious. All right, have fun. See you next week, okay?
Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Cook and a Half. I'm here with my buddy Tyler Cord.
That makes it seem like I'm the half of a cook. Did you think that through before we... Anyway, go ahead. Cook.
That's cute.
Could it be
though.
two cooks?
All right, 2 cooks.
2.5.
No,
but then
now
it's
we have
even
2,
3
it's
cooks.
3. Today it's
And if you were to do the math, that would be
3.
Sam, Tyler, and 2 half people.
Okay, so welcome back to 3 cooks. 4 people, 3 cooks. That's a good show.
4 people, 3 cooks. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, we're here with my buddy Tyler Cord, who is a talented chef and broccoli master. That's what Artie would call you, broccoli master.
I'll take that.
And Artie loves broccoli, so I thought Tyler could come and teach us how to make something delicious. We also have Tyler's daughter Barbara here to eat with Artie, and we're not telling them what we're making in advance.
Here's the food that your mom and dad made. What do you think that is?
We're gonna just see what they think. You think it's gonna work?
No. But let's give it a try.
Good, great. Let's do it.
So it's broccoli, but we're going to make it all crispy and fried-like.
Healthy fries.
Because maybe our kids will like that.
And
I don't know.
What are you tossing it with?
So we have millet flour, we have quinoa flour, we have Hungarian paprika,
It was very specific.
we have oregano. Where's this oregano from? Salt, broccoli florets and stems, and these are lemons.
I don't know what
They're
lemons.
lemons. Anyway, so it's essentially fried broccoli, but we're going to do it in the oven. It's kind of it's based on a recipe from my chicken book, which is called Dynamite Chicken. And that recipe is for chicken. This one's for broccoli. It's very similar. But I think it'll be so fun.
We're gonna serve it either in a hot dog bun or lettuce cups.
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited to serve 2 4-year-olds broccoli and lettuce cups and see how it goes.
You can take a bite.
I think it's gonna be good.
I think Barbara's gonna throw it at the wall, but we'll
Yeah.
we'll see.
There are also lollipops for bribery.
I think she's gonna say, "Daddy, can I have some other food?" Now, what I'd like to do is we're gonna make like a slurry of these flours and some delicious things. But we're gonna keep some of the flour aside. So basically we're gonna make a slurry, toss the broccoli in said slurry, pull it out and let it drip off a little, and then toss it into the remaining flour to kind of coat it. So it's like somewhere between battered and breaded. It's like
Cool.
the flour just will hold it together long enough for us to get in the thing. It'll probably get a little crumbly in a good way and make some little crunchy crunchies. Kids like crunchy crunchies, right?
They don't like crunchies, they only like crunchy crunchies.
Yeah. It'll make sense. But I put some of the flours in this bowl, and then the rest I'm putting there.
Like 3 tablespoons in this of each in that one.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, and I had, yeah. Totally.
Great.
Is this stuff measured?
Yeah. Right, Lucy? Wait, is the salt measured?
Yep.
Wow.
We'll find out.
Artie likes things salty. It's okay.
I'm the salt master.
Does Barbara?
Yeah, and that's a lot of broccoli too. You know, like, I think it's going to be fine.
Okay. You needed oil, right?
Oil, and I feel like there should be some water in here too. Is there water in the recipe?
Yeah. And you wanted some baking powder, right?
Oh yeah, let's add like just a little.
You need a teaspoon
That's fine.
measure.
Let's just do. I'm gonna do like a teaspoon.
Okay. Yeah. Well, more. That's like 3/4 of a teaspoon. Because there's 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon.
I'm gonna do about 3/4 of a teaspoon.
Okay. And what's that baking powder gonna do?
Hopefully it'll add just, this isn't like we're not frying it. It's not gonna have that immediate like steam puff per se, but hopefully it'll just lighten it up a touch.
I love it.
Is this measured? I don't remember if this. I'm just gonna put
Water
some.
is measured.
It looks like a lot, but I believe it. So that should look like vomit. So we're gonna toss these things.
Have you ever made this for Barbara?
I've never made this. Yes, I make this for Barbara all the time.
the time.
She likes broccoli
Yeah, so does Artie.
and she likes fried stuff. I
don't
said
know
I
that.
just tasted that. It is very salty, but it's the salt for the whole.
Yeah, and once it's like in bread and
And it's delicious. Quinoa flour
can I taste it?
is good. Ooh. I'm gonna dump this in here and then just coat it a little.
Uh-huh.
I feel like there should be more than that.
You want more?
I don't know. I'm gonna toss this in here. We're gonna toss it around, but I feel like I
Here,
want
I'll
enough
get-
to like.
I'll get more.
I want
so that
enough
we
to
have
coat it, but that said, because we're not actually frying this,
You don't want it to be dry.
I don't want it to be dry. So let's just see. Maybe we just trust me for a sec.
Okay.
But I feel like that's not enough. I'm making a mess.
No, you're not. Usually I cook with a 4-year-old. So that's lime and so. Ooh, you missed. We'll do it again.
Fair.
Oh no, that looks perfect.
I think it's gonna get there. I want
What do you need?
this.
Really? You want a better tool?
It's a spoon. What's wrong with the spoon? Yeah, no, that's good. It's like crumbly and it's seasoned and it's happy and ready to go.
It looks delish.
If we threw this in a deep fryer, it'd be pretty special. But we're gonna put this in the oven.
Okay, they're gonna love it. So now we're gonna put our coated broccoli on the preheated pan in the oven. Very easy.
Yeah, let's do it.
Great.
We'll let it ride
How
for a
many
minute.
minutes?
Looks like
10?
10 minutes and then we're gonna flip it.
See?
In 10 minutes, we're gonna flip it.
10 minutes! See, that was,
That was professional.
right? Okay.
So the broccoli's been cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes until nice and soft. And we are going to broil it for a few minutes just to get some extra crispy business.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, it does. Sounds delicious.
Yeah. I feel good about that.
Me too.
Yeah. The broccoli is done and it's cooling slightly. It looks crispy and delicious. So now we are going to make a little bit of a sauce.
Yeah.
Which,
But truly, just a little bit of a sauce. It's not that exciting.
well, it is exciting because I think the combination of mayonnaise and maple syrup is kind of a neat one.
Yeah. I doubt I invented that,
Wow.
but maybe.
It's hard to invent things. So we're going to do how much mayonnaise?
That looks great.
Okay. That's like 2 tablespoons, maybe a tablespoon and a half.
Mhm.
How much maple?
Honestly, equal parts.
All right.
Let's go for it. Now, the difference is that because this is for our kids, we're not necessarily going to put the franks in, or do you want to put a tiny bit in?
Let's put a little in.
It's going to cut it in a good way. Try it with some broccoli.
Is it good?
No, it's just got, yeah, it's good.
I want this crispy.
But that will make it even better.
Mmm.
I feel like I want to eat the small ones, but I feel like I should leave those for the children. I feel like Barbara generally likes the florets better, but in fried nugget form, I will see. There's no lollipops for kids who don't taste broccoli.
That's delicious. I
Yeah.
shouldn't sound so surprised.
I know.
Well, this looks terrific. Shall we go get our children?
Yeah. I miss them so much.
What do you think that is? It's broccoli nuggets.
I don't like things like that. Having a piece without the broccoli?
Artie's tasting it. What do you think?
I think this is getting me mad. What the?
You know
What
that
the-
sauce is kind of sweet. Do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Artie, you can taste it.
I can taste this.
Yeah.
It tastes kind of raw.
Kind of raw.
No, I don't with Mama.
How'd it go?
The broccoli made Artie mad.
Oh no, it made you mad? Why?
But now I tried the bun. See?
I do see that. You didn't want to try a piece of broccoli? Not even a little one?
Try one of these
It's
little
broccoli
ones.
nuggets.
Uh,
Yeah, look at this cute little piece. It's just, you know what's inside of that? Broccoli, watch. Oh, this is broccoli, but it's got some creamy stuff on the outside that's delicious.
Mm-mm.
No?
I like tasting Barbara. Don't eat me.
You can find this recipe on food52.com and come back twice a month for
More lollipops.
more lollipops and cook in half. Lemons, like people, come in all shapes and sizes.
You're right, and I
And we
only
love them all.
I only like some of them. You know? I only like 2 out of 3.
Cameras are rolling.
Oh, sorry.